When you visit Career Services in the Bone Student Center, you may notice these mini rooms lining the wall, also known as Huddle rooms. Huddle rooms are a great resource when you need somewhere quiet to go. You can do homework, a group project, informational interviews, virtual interviews, and so much more. When you arrive to the Career Services front desk, tell them you'd like to use a huddle room. However, it is first come, first served, so know that there is a chance no rooms will be available when you arrive. Don't worry though, there is a 2-hour limit for all students who use a huddle room. The front desk receptionist will ask to see your student ID, so be sure to have it on you. Once you're all checked in, the receptionist will bring you to your assigned huddle room and unlock the door for you. Once you are in your huddle room, you will notice that there is a variety of chargers and wall plugs for you to use, as well as a cord that can let you hook your laptop up to a big screen. Be sure not to bring any food or drink with you to keep the huddle rooms clean and allergy-free for the next student. Now you know how to use a huddle room. Visit the Career Services website for more information.